Hey, what is up you guys, it is me again, Trav Spits Some Bobs, and welcome back to a brand new video.
I'm gonna have to drop you here, man.
And today, in a minute, we'll be doing GTA5 Time Trial 30 now. So, let's get this started. Wait for the cab to drop me off. You can just see me through there. Come on, how long does it take to load? Stuck here till midnight.
Hey, buddy, there you go.
Nope, right, here we go.
This is gonna be fucking insane!
You're gonna try and show me who's boss?
I'll show you who's boss. Me. I'm on a four-wheeler today. Not been out today because of the crap weather. I've got my two horror figures coming in the post because I'll be unboxing them on a video this week. So yeah, just been busy chilling out. Oh! Fucking dickheads.
Good night!
I'm gonna catch up with him.
Bye-bye! Relax, you've already lost!
Oh, you sneaker. There'll be more things I'll do. Is all these. But we're winning this race. That's it, so